Hello children, we shall learn about angles. Consider this angle. There is one common vertex O and there are two rays. They are named as arms OA and OB. These two arms form an angle, and how can we name this angle? We can name this angle as we see that the angle is formed at the point O. So the name of this angle is angle O or angle AOB or angle BOA. Okay. Now we shall have a quick revision in the types of angles. If the angle formed is equal to 90 degree and it is called right angle, and the angle is denoted like this, and if we consider this as a clock, the angle formed here is 90 degree. It may be 12:15 or 3 o'clock. Next, if the angle is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle, and we can see in the clock like this. This is an example. And if the angle is greater than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angle. Okay. Next, straight angle is equal to 180 degree. It is formed on a straight line. This may be 12:30 or 6 o'clock. Okay. Next, reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay. If we should consider only this part of the angle. Okay, next, zero angle is equal to 0 degree, and this may be inside a clock. This may be 3:15, okay, or 12, okay. It may be like this, any angle. Next, full angle at a point is 360 degree, okay, full circle. Next, we can come to complementary angles. The sum of any two angles is 90 degree. Then these two angles, angle 1 and 2, are called complementary angles. The sum should be 90 degree. Okay. These two angles are called complementary angles if the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Next, if the sum of any two angles is equal to 180 degree, then these two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay. These two angles are called supplementary angles. Next, come to adjacent angles. And consider these two angles. These two angles have one common vertex as Q and one common arm QR. Next, there are no common interiors. That is, one angle is not lying on the other, some other angle. Okay, now angle PQR and angle RQS are called adjacent angles. Next, we shall deal with linear pair of angles. Sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. Then these two angles are called linear pair of angles, and it forms a straight line. The angle form the sum of the angles form a straight line, and these are called supplementary angles also. Okay, among these two figures, which are linear pair of angles? The first one. Okay, these 1 and 2 form linear pair of angles. Okay, next, sum of angles formed at one single point on a straight line equal to 180 degree. That is, if there are more angles, 5 angles are given here. If we add all these angles, we will get the sum total as 180 degree. Sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degree. If we have 6 angles at one point formed by 3 straight lines, if we add all these angles, we get the sum total as 360 degree. Next, vertically opposite angles. They are always equal. If any two lines or any two lines intersect each other, we get vertically opposite angles, and we say that angle X equal to angle Y. They are opposite angles and they are equal, and angle A equal to angle Z because they are vertically opposite angles. Next, we shall consider this diagram. In this diagram, tell me which are all adjacent angles Angle PQT and TQS are adjacent. We can find more answers. Okay, I am telling one example. And which are linear pair of angles? Can you tell me? Linear pair of angles. If the angles formed on a straight line, these two angles, angle PQU and UQR, form linear pair. Okay, now tell me which are vertically opposite angles? Angle PQT and UQR. Otherwise, angle PQU and TQR. These are vertically opposite angles. Is it clear, children? Practice more sums. Okay, thank you.